Now you can see one triangle and one rhombus we have, in which the base of triangle is 28 centimeter and the altitude is 18 centimeter. The base is given 28 centimeter and the altitude is 18 centimeter, is equal to the area of rhombus whose one of the diagonal is given 21 centimeter. Given area of triangle is equal to area of rhombus. Now base of triangle is 28 centimeter, height of triangle 18 centimeter, and one diagonal of rhombus is 21 centimeter. Okay. Now the solution is, according to the question, area of triangle is equal to area of rhombus. So we can write it half into base into height is equal to half into d1 into 21 centimeter square. May I write this? Now centimeter square and centimeter. So I am left with 1 centimeter. Half I can cancel. Now 28 into 18 divided by 21 can give you diagonal 1. 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. 1 centimeter I am left with, so I am writing centimeter here is equal to. Now 3 6s are 18. So 24 centimeter is equal to diagonal 1. So you write another diagonal as is equal to 24 centimeter. Just directly we can find, we can write both the areas are equal. So we can find the diagonal immediately. Please write it. Question number 8, it says, find the area of trapezium ABCD where AB is parallel to CD. AB is 24 centimeter, angle B and angle C is 90 degree, CD is 18 centimeter and AD is 10 centimeter. Now question number 8. Here it says AB and CD is parallel. A, B, C, D is a parallel line. It's clear. Now the first thing it says, angle B and angle C is 90. So if B and C both are 90, this will be a straight line because we know co-interior angle is 180 and AD will be like this. Now it says AB is 24 centimeter AB is 24 centimeter and CD is 18 centimeter. You can understand why did I rub it, because earlier I have drawn CD larger than AB. Now the length of CD is less than AB, so I have rubbed it. You don't think why ma'am is rubbing and drawing. This is given 18 centimeter and this is given 24 centimeter. Okay, and the length of AD is given 10 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter. Okay, this is the figure. First it is given AB and CD is a parallel. So I have constructed a parallel line. Then it says angle B and angle C is 90 degree, that is constructed. Then it says the length of AD is 10 centimeter. Now you have to get the area of this trapezium. Okay. What we are going to do, let DE given first of all, AB parallel CD. ABCD is a trapezium. AB parallel CD, angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 90 degree. AB 24 centimeter and CD 18 centimeter. AD 10 centimeter. Now solution would be, let DE parallel to BC constructed. So AE is equal to 24 minus 18 centimeter. If this is 18 centimeter, so till here to here it would be 18 centimeter. Is it? And this will be 6 centimeter. Is equal to 6 centimeter. Why I am doing it? Because I need to get the height. I didn't have height now. In triangle ADE, AD square is equal to AE square plus ED square. It is the Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square, or that gives you 10 centimeter whole square is equal to 6 centimeter square plus ED square, or 100 minus 36 under root is equal to ED, or 64 centimeter square is equal to ED, or 8 centimeter is equal to ED. We got the height 8 centimeter. Till now we have got only the height. Is it? Using Pythagoras theorem, we have got the height. Now we have to get the area of trapezium. So the area of trapezium is, the area of trapezium ABCD is equal to half into sum of parallel sides into height. 2 4s are 8. 18 plus 24 into 4 centimeter square, 168 centimeter square. Right. First of all, we got the height using Pythagoras theorem. Then we got the area of trapezium, which is 168 centimeter square. So you leave it up to here for today. Next day we'll be solving next sums. Till then you keep practicing. Thank you, dears. You complete this. After that I will rub it.